Hi, I'm just briefly going to talk about terrorism and crime. Now, since the YouTube headquarters was shot up due to a woman believing that her videos were being suppressed, which reduced her ad revenue, which I believe is the real cause of her shooting up the place, is because she felt like she was being targeted or discriminated, and it was hurting her income. Now, terrorism and crime. Now, we all know most crime are due to financial gains. Most people rob banks or might kill a significant other for the life insurance. So capitalism is a main cause of terrorism. You also have jealousy, someone cheating on someone or a significant other, and anger, just an outburst of anger. Those are the main causes of murders. So capitalism is a main cause. The next one is men. Most murders are done by men. Most terrorist attacks are done by men. I would say over 95%. So what we can draw a conclusion is that men are terrorists, if you want to draw a broad brush, because she cared about animals. Then most meat eaters are terrorists, because disproportionate amount of meat eaters are the ones who are terrorists, because you have about 7% of the population that are vegetarian or vegan, but they do not represent 7% of the crimes, terrorisms, or shootings. Actually, to date, I don't know of anyone who was murdered by an animal person in regards to an animal issue. She shut up due to ad revenue being dried up, because if she really cared about or was an animal extremist, she would have shut up a factory farm. Yes, a factory farm. You can look up videos of that if they're not suppressed. She wouldn't have shut up YouTube. She would have shut up a factory farm. So, but the reality is most violent attacks are done by meat eaters. Not 7% aren't done by vegans and vegetarians. So there's a disproportional amount. So the bottom line is, what we can draw a conclusion if we want to draw broad brushes is most terrorist attacks are due to capitalism, by men, meat eaters, and religious extremists. Yes, even Christians, Muslims, all different groups. So religion, capitalism, meat eaters, and men are the common denominators. Now, if you want to call animal terrorism, I would call animal terrorism on trophy hunters with their guns. They're the terrorists to animals, and factory farmers. But anyways, there's extremists from all groups, but to draw broad brushes and stereotypes is not factual. Thank you, and please share.